Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases. Understanding these two types of database is crucial if you want to make informed decisions about how to store and scale your data. In this video, we will cover what SQL and NoSQL databases are, their key differences, and when to use each. So let's jump right into it. The first, what are SQL databases? SQL databases are relational databases that use a structured query languages, which is SQL, to define and manipulate data. They are made up of tables with rows representing records and columns representing attributes. SQL databases are great for structured data where relationships between data points are important. For example, if you're building an e-commerce platform and need to maintain structured data like users, orders, and products, where each table relates to another, and SQL database like MySQL or Postgres is a solid choice. Some popular SQL databases include MySQL, which is an open source and widely used. There is PostgreSQL, known for its advanced features and extensibility. And there is a Microsoft SQL Server, great for enterprise level solutions. Second, what are NoSQL databases? NoSQL databases are non-relational databases designed to handle unstructured or semi-structured data. Unlike SQL databases, NoSQL systems can store data in different formats, such as a key, value pair, documents, or graph structures. This flexibility makes NoSQL a great choice for applications that need to store a large amount of unstructured data. Imagine you are building a social media application where each post can have a different structured text message, text, image, videos, etc. A NoSQL database like MongoDB can store these varied data types efficiently. Some NoSQL databases include MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. MongoDB is a document-based, and Cassandra is a column-based, excellent for scalability and availability. Redis is a key value store, perfect for caching and real-time data. Let's talk about the key differences between SQL and NoSQL database, and let's start with the data model. SQL databases have a structured data model with fixed schemas and relationship enforced between tables. NoSQL databases have a flexible data model which allows for unstructured data and schemaless design. Second, scalability. Sorry, there is noise going on here. Second, scalability. SQL databases typically scale vertically, meaning you add more power, CPU, and RAM to a single server. NoSQL databases are designed to scale horizontally, allowing you to add more servers to handle increased load, which makes them well suited for handling massive volumes of data. If you're building an application that needs to scale to millions of users, and NoSQL solutions like Cassandra might be better since it's designed for horizontal scaling. Third, let's talk about data consistency. SQL databases followed the ACID properties, which is automaticity, consistency, isolation, and durability, which ensures strong consistency. This is important for use cases where data integrity is critical, such as financial systems. NoSQL databases often follow the CAP theorem and are more likely to provide eventual consistency rather than strict consistency, which makes them faster and more available in distributed environments. For example, if you're working on a banking application, and SQL database is likely the better option because of the need for strict consistency. On the other hand, for social feed, eventual consistency is often enough. Okay, let's talk about some use cases. SQL databases are great for banking and financial systems where data consistency is key. Inventory management, where relationships between data are crucial, for example. And NoSQL databases, it will be great for no social media platforms with lots of unstructured content. Real-time analytics, where data volumes are massive and need quick access. Okay, Let's talk about when to use SQL versus when to use NoSQL. Use SQL when you need structured data with complex relationships. Consistency and data integrity are critical. You have a fixed schema that won't change frequently. And I would say by default, you choose NoSQL database. However, you will use NoSQL if your data is unstructured or semi-structured. You need a high scalable and are expecting rapid growth. Flexibility in schema design is important as your application evolves. Let's talk about real world examples of SQL and NoSQL usage. And Netflix uses Cassandra as a NoSQL database to handle massive volumes of streaming data with high availability, while still using MySQL for structured data where consistency is important. And e-commerce websites and SQL database might be used for order processing and inventory, while NoSQL database like MongoDB could be used to store user reviews and product recommendations, for example. So, to sum it up, SQL and NoSQL database each have their strengths and weaknesses. SQL databases are perfect for structured applications that need strong consistency, while NoSQL databases are ideal for unstructured data and horizontal scalability. The key is understanding your application's requirements and choosing the right database accordingly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on database and system design scaling. And as always, drop any questions in the comment section below. See you in the next video.